on Tefilla. We got to Vayavor, we're going to continue Vayavor. So interesting that Vayavor, we say 13 characteristics of the Hashem of Hashbar. Now, before starting saying that, we say Vayavor Hashem Apanah, Hashem passed before him, Vayira and call. You have to pause here. Hashem, Hashem. You have to pause between Hashem and Hashem. Now, why do we start this Hashem, Hashem are not part of the human method Rachamim? The Rachamim, according to us, the paradigm starts with Kel Rachum. Kel starts with this one. Now, if Hashem is not part of the Rachamim, why do we say Hashem 2 times and you have to pause between Hashem, Hashem? Why do you have to 2 times and you have to pause? Because Rashi says Hashem, Hashem. Why do you say Hashem, Hashem? One Hashem is before Adam's sin, and the other one, Rashi says Hashem after Adam's sin. Interesting that one of them refers to Adam Arishon before the Chet, before the sin of Adam Arishon, or a person does a Chet. Hashem, the second Hashem, is after that Adam's sin, and that's Teshuvah. Now, we know that after a person does Teshuvah, we need Kel, power of Rachamim, his Rachamim merciness, his Rachamim graciousness, Erech Apayim patience, abundance of kindness, truth, that should keep the chesed. All of these 13 midot forgives the avon. We need them after the chet. But why do we need yud ke vav ke after the chet? What is it yud ke vav ke? Hashem after the chet. Why do we need after the chet yud ke vav ke? We need all of these 13 midot of the Rachamim. But that's the function of Hashem. One before the chet, one after. We know that yud ke vav ke, what's responsible for? Yod Ke Vav Ke is responsible for creation. Hashem created the world with 4 letters. Yod Ke Vav Ke. Therefore, Yod Ke Vav Ke is the department of the creation. That's why the real pronunciation of the name of Hashem is Yod Ke Vav Ke, means gives to existence. It gives existence. That is the essence of Hashem. Now, Torah is telling us, after that the person sins and he wants to Teshuvah, HaKadosh Baruch Hu makes a new creation, creates a new neshama, new power, new person. A lot of times the person wants to do teshuvah and he feels that he's so attached with the sin that's impossible to depart from it. And he would feel that I'm very far away from teshuvah. I cannot do teshuvah. It's very hard. I got used to it. From my childhood I did it. It's part of me. How could I depart myself from it? I cannot depart, it's part of me. Torah says, Hashem, Hashem. We have the power of Yud Ke Vav Ke after a person sins and does Teshuvah. Why? Why do we need Yud Ke Vav Ke? Because we need a new creation. Like Rabbeinu Yonah says, when a person does Teshuvah, HaKadosh Baruch Hu brings in Neshama Chadasha, Ruach Chadasha, a new Ruach, new Neshama, empowers him that he should be able to carry himself. Therefore, we should not measure ourselves with our own physical power to the Teshuvah. You have to understand, once we open the gate of Teshuvah, we are dealing with HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and Hashem is the one who could turn over things. Right now, we are by Purim. What's the essence of Purim? By Yahapoch. Hashem could turn over things. These are the Emunah, these are faith. When the Halisrael thought we got into a position that's impossible to take out, Hashverosh has power, has army, has prestige, all types of power in the world he has. When Haman came to Mordechai, he saw that he's bringing Korban Omer. He said, why do you bring Korban Omer? He says, what we give? We brought the feast of flour. Haman, our enemy, says that your feast of flour came and turned over all of the powers. Wealth, army, prestige, and this was Yahapoch. That's the power of Hashem. That's the power of Hashem. Person does Teshuvah, HaKadosh Baruch Hu creates a new neshama. The person gives him a new power to be able to stand.